turtleneck is probably really disgusting because of my makeup, but let's just ignore that. It's Serena, and for today's video I filmed this really pretty look that I got inspired by from Instagram. Her name is Loreal Makeup. I will have her photo right here of what I got inspired by. So yeah, her work is really so pretty, impeccable, so I will leave her Instagram down below if you guys want to go check out her as well. But yeah, so I got inspired by her look. I've been saving a whole bunch of different looks on my Instagram feed lately, and today I was like, you know what, let me just dabble through them and recreate one just for the fun of it. So yeah, this is what came about of that recreation, and I'm really proud of it. But yeah, you guys, before you finish watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click those bell notification buttons so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Also follow me on my social media sites. Y'all know the drill. They will all be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video, and also my Instagram if you do not follow me already. I've been working really hard on trying to improve my content and posting more consistently, so yeah, follow your girl. Without further ado, let's just get on to how I created this look. Hey guys, so starting off with this look, I will be taking the infamous James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking that red shade and putting it on a small fluffy brush and just tapping it in my crease first. I wanted to make these clips a little slower so you guys can see exactly how I'm blending, but just tapping it in my crease first and then making sure I blend out the edges just to get the most pigmentation. And also my base is tacky. I used the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden, and I did not set it. Then I'm hopping into the palette again and taking that really like burgundy pinkish color. Sorry, the name sheet is in my makeup drawer and I don't feel like getting it out, but it's that little like purpley, pinky, violet, dark purple kind of color. Taking that, doing the same thing. Then I'm taking the dark purple color and kind of making a halo. So this is where the halo eye starts to come in effect. So I'm taking it on one side, on the other side, and then blending it in the center to make a halo. Then I'm taking that orange color and I'm taking on a very detailed small brush. It's like a little like fluffy small brush, and I'm going to be taking on the outer edges of my makeup. It's going to seem like I'm getting my makeup very dirty where my crease is at, but I like to do this step because I don't like to put the yellow first. I like to go after just to make it look more bright and vibrant. So I'm just going to go back in with those deep purple and pink shades over again so the fallout goes away. Then I'm going to be taking that black shade and doing the same thing I did with the purple, tapping it on the outer corner and then the inner corner and blending it in. I'm not using too much black. I just want to make this look a little bit more smoky, and the dark purple wasn't smoky enough for me. But if you guys think it is smoky enough for you, you guys can feel free to stop there. But if you do want to go a little bit more dark, then take a little bit of black and start blending that in. Then going in with the purple and smoking out a little bit more to blend that black. And then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1 because I wanted to make it very light for this look. So I'm taking a flat brush and just cutting my crease. You guys have seen me do this so many times. This one is just a halo eye, so make sure you stamp it right in the center of your eye. Look up to see where your crease ends, and then you will be able to see how far up to take your halo eye. So just make it to the shape of your eye, however big or small it is. Then I'm taking the blue shade, it's like the shimmery dark blue shade in the palette, and I'm putting on each outer edge of the halo cut crease I just created with the concealer. Then I'm taking my Cover FX, this is the liquid eyeshadows, and I'm just going to be taking it and putting it in the center of my lid, covering that middle space where I didn't apply any shadow yet. I'm making this very sharp and detailed, so I'm taking a very tiny brush and making sure I get the very top of it, making sure it's very sharp. And I'm going back into the palette and taking that very light sparkly blue shade and putting it right on top of that Cover FX liquid shadow. I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and these individual glitter pods from Makeup for Melanin Girls. I'm just taking the light kind of like iridescent white one and putting it right on top of that glitter primer, right in the center where I put that light blue shadow, making it very detailed because I wanted to make sure that it was very glittery. It was fine with the regular blue, but I wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz, so I added that. And then I'm taking my Ardell Effects 231 lashes, put those on. I did my face off camera, but I wanted to show you guys my highlight and stuff, so just using the Maybelline Master Chrome Chrome from Maybelline. I just said that. Master Chrome highlighter, putting it cheekbones, inner corners, brow bone. Sorry if the lighting is also changing in these clips. I have to fix that, so bear with me. Then to top it off, I'm taking the Artist Couture Gold Digger Loose Highlighter and doing the same thing I did with the other one, just putting it on top of the same places I put the Maybelline one. Then for lips, I'm taking my Kylie lip kit. I'm just taking the lip liner in the shade Brown Sugar. Then I'm taking my MAC lipstick. This is a Girl's Got Needs. It's discontinued. I'm so sorry, but I love the color. But then I'm taking my NYX Lingerie lip gloss in the shade Clear, just the regular clear gloss. Putting that on top, and then I'm topping it off with ColourPop's lip gloss in the shade Few. Then I'm going to be spraying my face with the Morphe setting spray, and the look is complete. Oh, Alright guys, this is the end of my recreation of Loreal's makeup look. I wanted to use the James Charles palette because it had a whole bunch of different colors, obviously, and it's super popular right now. So, you know, don't be intimidated. If you guys want to try this look, just get you the James Charles palette and you'll be good to go, sis. So if you guys do end up recreating this look, be sure to tag me so I can see it, and also tag and go over and follow Loreal's makeup on Instagram. I will have her link down below as well. Before you guys finish watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post. Also follow Moi on Instagram, obviously. It'll be right here if you guys want to follow me. I'm trying to post more consistently and just post better quality content and shit, so follow your girl. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys. Matter if you're up, matter if you're down. Either way, I'm gonna be around. Oh my gosh, I have to take a thumbnail. Shit.